Live on Adum TV and when you go to our Babia Obiano and there anumre Mamwajo Amwakwaba and the about a growing from Jumadian so Bibia de Nakwamu Kama Bibia see Nipa Kojojo Kakra said the Baya Modeno energy nebeba na yetimia samba ne yabetwa so edijuma ediaboa a growing from kai say no e yokwada bia e bono nkron epamu anadwo say a na je say Ghana fo akwadwuma aba ama obia e wofie a wape bibia di awie na wape nsuo bi so adi agu ho na ho atọ say fom tinkwala ne nya ba bidio mtito saa na wo so nya daje atena se ahwe dwumadie no said ye de ebrel from the studios of Adum TV and ye de agroni from dwumadie no e de ebrel bidi de kwadwo mensa moshosho GH kwadwo Ghana fo nyina kwadwo abusanfo munta bachi na ensem no said ye sene fata no ye fa nyina mra na hu de ekoso abusanfo ye ensem e wo Ghana na ensem ekoso wonim se Ghana Premier League no eguso a ekoso a nyame yadoma ye bo match day 10 e wo na wotwi awieye a chese okwe said ye ekoso e okumase a enya sem keto akwa ma mo hwe me efri kumase ene anadwe no wonim se kwasia da ebai no ekwan nyina eba kumase a chese eye kotoko ene hasofok e wo Ghana Premier League no nanka enanadwe a yesi nkonwa yi no aka enakakrama match no abaso no nanka yedi nkomo efa sa game no ho nanka promotu a nanso bibia bebom a wo say yetimi enya adaje na ye ka ho asem ene anadwe eno enti ena matonsa afre owura baako a ono so oye president of a football club a chese ye count some of the young guys say Ghana hard ma omudi sika e hye football no mu eboa se emabunu no ene nkwala ntotofiwa no yebetimi apagya wo maso mu abro ye nkwala na yatete o maade akọ anim no enya asem ketu akra enti sapepepe ena ye no ene na afi yetimi adi enkomo Ghana football ehun sensem ena ye de eba owura a mene ne twetwe nkomo no ye fe no Yakubu Abdul Salam oye president of New Edubiase Football Club a che se womo aba premier ena nei womo bo ewo division 1 zone 2 a enya asem ketu akwa afi womo hwa dim se omesan aba Ghana Premier League na emu owura Yakubu Abdul Salam mamo akwa aba e de aba agroni from dwumadie so e Adum TV so na bibia boko de bibia boko em se we ni de toso mienu a me ni ehia wo agroni from dwumadie so na meboa yeah we ni de toso mienu second time ni nice na ene no ehun abehia se me mo aba because of free na no joada eba enema bi asisi e o Ghana football but even before ansame ba sansem no so no New Edubiase Football Club a team a wankasa wotiye a we president of the club ye share division 1 yasi this season no enema e koseni mate se bribery and corruption bi abaso ana e koso e wo sa zone mu but before then mame hwe mo performance said the echo this season are you coming back to the Premier League?
Well mame chia omo amohwe mushosho nyumri
ya no ama voice no mu 2 minute power na bam na say yetimi ayo bia
yeah omo muhwe mushosho nyumri
okay
me chia obia Edubiase yade ye bomb meeting ye start here emza yako away matches na yabon nyina ye very very crucial but the bien we yelusu yeah yelusu any away match ana yabo team it is Star Madrid ana yako baby any Go Stars o manti manche we say you start here ye Boba Premier even last season almost share but this season o manti manche all the away matches ye ko nyiro bien we wa share and then your home matches on you fine results.
Okay.
And then you lead the table no.
Only the table.
Yeah.
So far after how many matches?
After 7 matches.
After 7 matches.
Yeah, you lead the
table. You
table.
in the dust room.
Yeah, you lead the table no na. Okay, bribery and corruption allegations.
Yeah.
I know when person comment me part of it because the same teams in omo zone and me person ebi aminim.
No, but there was just one issue behind the person me raise you.
Oh, okay.
Because a zone a OMB and say bibi ba say also we are concerned about it. Now Summertex 96 and it second year Hazakes Kwakobo match the 6 second year and second year Hazakes for captain or your police ni or a police officer by profession and a osan footballer to say na Stephen Safu or Liberty police ni or sign Eboma Liberty as a captain no and on longer Sunday about Bontin say Hazakes for no any Summertex 96 for Nicobono Summertex for no try say on be bribe or no Hazakes player no or recordings I have all of them here no recordings in our ewo sika mobile money Summertex 96 for no a Sunday ye e de koma player no so ewo recordings now wa would be has say and na me be say officer no monto ampanyfo tu ho so far ever since player no e de sa ase no ba bonten e ma Hazakes for eye in central for nhia mu second D e de ho asem tu dwa no ampanyfo timi atu ho na ma when ni je kwan ampanyfo fa so omo so asem no because e ba bribery and corruption any obi all the evidence about che say boba money ye ma minie go for the frame say omo the bribe no bribe so recording me ye mobile for me na me record ye me voice nie club channel Summertex new frame so no so the voice nie anamontuo ampanyfo atu ho no woni je ho
well me wo other platforms and me hu ye but you see say na very very interesting but na share them for me because zone mu na me wo say BBC me wo interest but me be say me part of it and then see ka bribery in football it is a meda it is obi akum nipa
meda
yeah it is obi akum nipa e wo football eno ye chewa me nya sure say wo case bibia no bit my defender that's why the FA president can say we try 30,000 say wow wo the information be abeba for bribery no I'm say obecho 30,000 more could be free but as I started meeting since Saturday anopa na meeting and Hazakes for a press conference and only idea was enka this week ye can once as a FA some nka omode the verdict abadada a different maintain once
you mean some delay because Saturday up to today yenti a word from the football federation
fine and shut down family but me them said to be as a very good team solid say you good officiating for this season say referees in be fair ma do be as here me zone mo be no bit match
but so far officiating to say
fine okwa we are struggling so okwa we are the team na kuta you know I was team shape both women and away but okwa we are division 1 anybody so okwa we are it's like home team no also winning at all cost
okay
but say ubo good football in no home team as a do and die be the referees you know intimidation adwuma or division 1 it's not like premier there but maka say what is heaven security bibia
premier is heaven
almost yes so ubo premier na o de toto the way you transport to Kwan division 1 ubutizo obeko ba bit is sama boy obeko tizan zima area at times all the supporters and ebeko home team nko security yasan security send or division 1 so into division 1 anybody enye easy intina opia so when you abre person we footballer o say obo na free division 1 Kenya sa we feel comfortable obetimi push players to national team obetimi asele players e were abroad any other ba division 1 no the body won feel more comfortable who players you won because you totally cheating
and the wilderness of Ghana football just how chassis
yes
and obre
yes obre sir it you know at times it's not the time of the it's not maybe one match be maybe some referee this is now first half referee see yes away o see yes am say aba referee adai o say Abdusalam die mi okay you say Abdusalam die mi maboa mokra
chese why
o see yeah
chese to form
yes o say maboa mokra match onye nkola match o say no ka kire me o say match na dey papa awom tim ni pese o mu wini me nkwala no se no ye bo se penalty o titiae enye 18 no me hu bi da nipa no so mpo obi anwa nka no oto forma o penalty tiae.
Okay, now just me say ye dey eno si ho so far as the division 1 any issues na wo no. And so now what the can say Ghana Football Association president or say obia any football person say we ordinary person bia wonam Ghana ha bia obete say bia yi club chairman bi person come bribe and say referee bia koje bribe and what information bia won football federation ni bia ever bribery and corruption ho no watwa sika 30,000 Ghana cedis aye kane 300 million we a whistleblower now the bar says can they show free I just say with evidence and then second year Zakes for captain at the mobile money transcript I just say sikano me Jeffrey summer test 96 for e bi o phone so amo friend nko mo ni di ye I just say onko ja match ni mu so ero so me obi wa ha I just say wa gisikano I recorded Ama Hazakes for a press conference. I did about in preventing the Ghana Football Association. It's more than 1 week. Nah.
Yeah, serious. Yeah, serious. We get or take a decision. That's why members I can't want him because me was on. We because be Abdul Salam they push it back. Me and family.
But I know match.
Yeah, me a good team.
I know match. I summer test any Hazakes match. But so first you are in the zone. No only say it is in the interest of all the clubs within the zone. They say FNB deal with this matter.
Yes, also I'm dealing with this matter. Now I'm to them. So we check. Even the home team no. On my press conference. I'm with more evidence. This evidence be no me. Me nyɛ to say ya fro bompo anase ya tena asam no so. Ana we kra ya ntwam obi me protest. Won twɛn. Unya evidence we ya even a war platform bia so. Into unya evidence we ya so take action. It is yes and corruption with football man. This say uja we man kwa ye be hu na obo niam be bresi so Ghana football it was a demotu clubs to division 2 ye banding some of the club officials obo hu omo kra na omo wo dibre o Ghana football nti
na je se mra ni nya djuma ye mfa mra ni nya djuma
mra ni nya djuma we
Abdul Salam ami bisa o wo ye sankofo na omo gidi se and now for friends and cronies, meaning way, madam for no way, meaning anyway, any idea, Ghana football. In fact, say football. No.
Now, when him say, I didn't know how many seasons for 4 5 seasons. Every season, your case is cocked. Instead of say, be the writing, your cocked nearby, among 4 cockers. But the next season, you beside the same mistake. Ye rules se law no echiwa ba bia mega se football no sa na mane ma onyina football ma manfo ye ba ye chiwa emra ne chiwa chiw se wo ko ye ne yan chiwa fine but echiwa chiw I will say apply to the law but to boni etejo case it me ba I will be hu se uko ever assembly we we wan ya tan it happen so it make the American say
okay
I was say yeah more serious say your person you might I was say the right thing.
For Yakubu Abdul Salam a president of New Adubiase Football Club so thing we wa Premier League no be say more than 4 5 seasons
9 seasons
how many seasons
9 seasons
about 9 seasons and sana upper relegation and then ogusu airborne division 9 solid seasons in fact within those 9 seasons no or the FA Cup Eco Africa Eco representing Ghana in the CAF Confederations Cup and the Adriana Stars Airborne. So New Adubiase is not a small club. President no me no etwetwe komo ha and the anadwi e wa growing for Jumadi no so no. Now BSC enura e Ghana football mu. The president of the Ghana Football Association Ora Kwesi Ntachi one in the executive committee share mu e wo normal executive committee meeting omo ye. At the end of the meeting, Omayi, the vice president of the Ghana Football Association, Ura George Ekwese Free Eddie, in the position as the vice president of the Ghana Football Association. Abushanfo, the buyer and they see ye entia ende ye see George Free ontimi ntoaso as the vice president no awusianfo yenim but ye ba ye be ko san sem no mu ne bisa enye ne tie se New Adubiase Football Club yom home matches na afi be kwai e de ba asimfosu na meka asimfosu a wa wodi Ghana football ache pa no the last Premier League club a oboye e wa asimfosu asimfosu soccer missionaries hodmo na Kevin Essien eboye Starless 91 hodmo na Richard Akon eso eboye a produce so many players asimfosu soccer missionaries mate say New Adubiase Football Club yom home matches no afi bekwai e de ba asimfosu ye ba ye bodo nyina musuko ne ahwe de ekoso e woni sansemi nyina emu mede de kwadwo mensa mo shosho agrone form e na woni guso ahwe e wo Adom TV so abusanfo ye ba sisi a live on Adom TV and when you go to our share agrone from Jumadi and Medini Kwajo Man Samo Show my guest the president of New Adubiase Football Club Yakubu Abdul Salam and I'm Gusu and the nutrition commander Jake Mayan and TSA umuvu venue New Adubiase answer number ba Effins and Sem the vice president na ye free and me wo interest I was asking him because Yakubu Abdul Salam our president of New Adubiase no or no one of the club presidents are Oma declare support for George Akwasefi every 2019 elections no it yes me to be san December community but manyana it yes mu yim venue from Bekwai to Asimfosu baby na soccer missionaries ebo mo ball no but sanity na se sanity adenti na mo abo Premier League matches o Bekwai ene mu bibia na fe dem pese mo ba Asimfosu
ye kati bia wa bre te se ebiase ye wo asa wo ya janka te se wo ya janka oni maami ni papa ati ma bre wo wiase pa ni wo Adubiase you know
ma bre
ya bre papa enne ye titimu ye started with Adubiase Division 2 ye boy ye nia management no ye ko ye stadium wo Adubiase ye je ho obi amoa ye ade ye bo qualified Division 1 what was it your club lancers no so stadium o park and qualifier would be mbo premier no
yeah
the ye bo qualifier no na say ye ko sere ba bi na ye ko bobo that is where ye move to Obuase na no support the organ make say a dance area baby Obuase and rebel ye ko no support ye ko struggle sa ye face ye survive ye bo am say 3-2 season e wo Obuase yes am my ho so ye ko pie Bekwai ye first season ye support na ye and so yes abress na ye bedu ye yes club lances yes ye ko Obuase yes Obuase yes ye ba
Bekwai view
one of the team na ye nice team ye the team no back community no because of the youth tin ye ko ye wanna be fi on ye wo me Adubiase so ye nya bibia the youth no o se eboa wo mo
but na ze kromo kwa mate se mu si stadium ankasa yes minim se
eno ne problem no
yes stadium ano se ya shase
yes eno ne problem no yes start here the youth no yes MPPPA from the government ayemfofo ye nananom wanwan yes MPPPA ade ye pe e stadium e woni Adubiase ko ha e small
community
small community adwuma bi ani ho and there's a New Adubiase team no ho players no ho how many players you obey 50 players omudidi ye tu omuka eti bibia ba bia no e ka community ho si ye bobola isuo anka hotels abema community na dey develop youth no so bebrebe nya adwuma ye but ye di young guys to say any ya team of how many years ebesi na ni stadium Adubiase ye di stadium ye say ya amaye abaye politics the previous government eba here nananom say ye mpahwe ye per stadium almost started so mu ye stadium ye ebedu ba bi ni ye jai
it is stadium no almost started ye mean so almost started omo ya no mo jai
after after the previous government in the the current government unim dia yampo the youth ni what we as a constituency no a stronghold for NDC and I'm start but youth no as a tutia maybe in politics but I don't the MPP and take you over
no do you not to
yes
okay
no omotoma MPP you know we say this is a government oba your stadium ni there you be stadium na my from that time last year based there contractor no on see
a site order
but unima there you unima there how many stadium and ya catch sort e Ghana as is here ABC
obebre on yes parks bebre yes e be the zongo and artificial community yeah eno minim say ya catch sort bebre yeah secondly say osaba how many stadium on youth resource centers almost parks near the ade
ansa na we say we are your other stadium and also no would menka say how many stadium ya catch sort
to give me you the assess
how many stadiums so na renovation e Ghana bra new advias ya to war you see you can say dressing room you be na perimeter aye fed no enye adwuma kakra bi na aka se you be amaye na youth no community no so yenya bi adwuma bi ani ho won apart from district assembly no adwuma bi ani ni advias I be like football no e be push community no
why not
that's
important and I don't quite obedient me
park level what do you mean kaze nananom nanayema minim how many times waba president or wako minister or wako your friend is saying your MP no omatu wanamo e be sinde 0/100 say political say deal but this is a community stadium na nya media me nya ba bibo ena me kwase fosu se me kwase fosu se me bona me nya 2000 3000 e dey support me team amaka ho team no ya se fosu for dia ye mbaba omo ye stadium odi bia skra ye mbaba
okay
there is no way I ever back
okay
so inti no enya me stadium e community ni stadium but honey a woman krom na me fi nti nema bi nkoso okronum a me all right so semeka
all right edi abuja for I was say ban hwe no timi ye stadium no ball no abeka team na beka krom ho enti upo stadium na makate sword na mwashase na you have abandoned the project it's not team na about 9 seasons in the Premier League and we can say within those 9 seasons Wako Africa Confederations Cup representing the whole Ghana I remember say you
it is a office say your stadium e wo ni adubiase a adubiase nka edu baby ni mabomabu relegation na me ko na nya bia o e ya bambu da de me ko relegation ka me metima bo for 100 season me ko relegation no adubiase
yeah
we know football ye nim ko ye fa so ye football e wo Ghana ye nim football me management no there is no way edu baby ni abomabu William Mensah jai we afa we say obi abre because yan ko so de bia ni etu kwa ni e kwa pen now na yes stadium we say ya de ofi say ye what stadium e wo dubiase a ye budget ye niema bebre e be conform enti e be ma ya strong ye be nya more support nka ofi say ke be ko relegation ke be one of the best team e wo Ghana ha ni ye nenam saa si ye kwa sifosu ye nenam saa bon ni edu Cape Coast ni edu Tema na no
I was ever from New Dibiase to Obuase to Bekwai to Obuase back to Bekwai. She said, yes, ye basi fosu. A very sad story.
Udim the basi fosu. Bekwai, ye nye resource, and ye bad. But ye nye support. Ye nye 0/100. Ye nye skebia will get. But I see fosu for amaya shora. Move to me. Yes, on be support here. At least you bet many bibi kakra e dey toast you my boys. So it's not about say be any resource. But football is this kind of here. It is one match o budget be 15,000 and 10,000. Now want me nya 2,000 and figure that. Me feel say enya de papa there is no sponsorship BBN yo say nya sisi na nyame aboa ya Premier nya sponsorship ah it is here no
Premier nya de sponsor
nya sponsor
Premier nya sponsor but the Premier League nya sponsor o sha say mo ti say o ka say oni Star Madrid abo last Saturday me hon musa na me nya video na me nya no na ifri one of the football president for no ma na Nana Apia Mensa xylophone a che say oni Kwesi Nyantakyi president of the Football Federation akopi mu e Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence Pampram a che say ba bia under 17 under 24 no e campaign no e man no campaign no a che say o makohodo ma enya asem ketua o a che say ye boje ne so a ye wie no ye say Ghana Premier League no xylophone Nana Apia Mensa e be sponsor but unim ye were very interesting football association no nkomo wo ho a ye ba bedie na moma yentwa ehomra na yemfa no embetwa to kra na hwe de wo mu ye ba sisia So we are live on Adum TV and when you go so wo hwe no kai say Abensio original Abensio is insan be aba enye nsan bia ne nsan wo de obowura aba ho ape o drinking sport wo say ye ma wonsan bia Mr. Obitmi atwa wo yam kurukura original Abensio sansan we ensa papa eheda de akakaduro no kakaduro na etimi eye ni padua no mu adwuma no ene ade aye original Abensio no boa ne padua na ma wutumi gina wona so kama original Abensio Adonko Bitters ma boy adwuma pa sisi wo namba bia Adonko Bitters na ukona se boys ni di ho adanse na amanfo sim konwa na omoto frɛ ba ma ne ba woman na wutumi sampa Adonko Bitters papa bi ti odo ba ko ba bia pese okobia now Yakubu Abdulsalam yenye ne tie se Premier League no aka hwɛ bi mo nya so now can sponsorship one of the sponsor league no and I said na Apia Mensa now men's good
yeah 100% yeah we
ma wie
Kashaba Premier Kashaba
na so who ni Premier
mini Premier Kashaba yeah
no are you saying it they are winning man
Musho
because league no everybody says league is not attractive
attractive.
No, but
I don't
have so many seasons.
Yeah, boy, Africa. Your team war. Your friends are confederation was a league attractive. I don't know league. Yeah, very good team. You good players for the national team. Fine. For past 2 seasons, the national team under 20, under 17 I'm here committee member.
Yeah.
Under 20 and last year, team qualify. But all that for years, past years, you go Africa, Blaster, you qualify, Uncle Wetcard. Doesn't mean that you football no, and you have good talent.
No, but
yeah, they know here.
But Abdulsalam,
yeah, they know. You here. You football you Uganda. Oh yeah. Scan you need facilities in the ade. But sponsorship. And no, was say ade yenya. Ade yenya club owners no. Problem ane ane if you pay for no. At least sponsorship de ozenya. In this sponsorship we here yaten. Sa abo say my we kutamu den.
Ah, sa aba we my.
Aba.
Na de ne jese beba. E de ne jese beba. Papa na mu so omofa de sika me football mu no. Onye philanthropy so. Sep nyenso no na mo ni sika chiche o.
Anybody in companies. Oh, yeah, 7-8 companies.
Anybody just move football bet man value for money. Football and then just football na mo you know. Or nisika be shema bet man value for money. Value for money.
Men's Gold Premiership. Men's Gold Ghana Premiership. Nti enya no.
Men's Gold Premier League.
Yes.
Now Men's Gold Premier League no can we are not the now
company.
No. Now come Men's Gold.
No. Is it for free?
Who come Men's Gold Premier League we are now work on ya burefu elmina. You are near the better second.
I don't part of sponsorship. I don't know sponsorship.
Who come Men's Gold Premier League we are. Now referee could
just last week one South Africa. ABC what we are baby ya. Yam ntokonsi of football money ada. They see I know they no matter. Baby about football baby e dia group ya. Ntokonsi.
And that they no matter. And no be ama no. Obiama
your companies you know ana isi atamse no your companies no nti o mase obi kra ba abe sponsor ya as a it's about relationship enya the product of abeton as a relationship as or ye wado ye bi the also be sponsor we no atwe no
because mu ni hwe ameko and then se mu ko sponsorship e dey body ni kita mu nsem a eye no ye mu bargaining chip amode ko mu ni bia
nti ewiase nyina
pia mensa mu kan mu ko pa na cho we know you went there me see mu president ko mu kuto je on na pia
we no hu no ayen hu no ezo
akoko mu kuto je pa na cho
nti ye pa sponsorship ni enya na se bia meko akopa obi achew no aba sponsor me nti no na eden
ade nti se mu ko pa cho
eno de senya hwemu so ya ko pa chew se ko pa chew kra na do de no ya achieve ade pese ya achieve and the sponsorship number who's there my
the first day am ko ye se mo ko hwe na pia
what about this week early next week e be chase kama premiership
mo chase kama
obi abenya ne pudu ana ne social
hey papa ile mo atwe ne de ye se mo suan
this sponsorship aba eno de men kakra sponsorship aba 2 million 2 million yes 2 million
Ghana cedis 2 million pounds $2 million to 2 million day
huh
$2 million day
$2 million
currency ben
dollar
$2 million
dollar cash
abushan for Yakubu Abdul Salam say de o makosu a o mapacho $2 million na apia mensa xylophone si odeba the first day amura o mako so mako xylophone for the omo di 3 hours o papa no office na mo twen na ohwe kwabra na ebu nkotodwe ye pacho so ma mo say sika bia ba system ni muti o mko bi papa na hwe o mo sa na papa na wo so niti se nya hwe ma bre kofo demotemache me de be chemo enya hwe but I am only hoping say enye glow 5 years contract otwamu 2 years owura the third year no pull out First Capital Plus or sign 3 years or first year owura the second year mu pe no pull out I just hope said Yakubu Abdul Salam kan ye no kra enyama be ko smoothly yanko George Free so e pa cho
George Free ayre
o say
George Free
nya FA president vice president biu so ya we
zabe ya we
Munam mukoye Mensvik declaration e declare say senyente chisi onko biom dia George Free emre no so 2019 obeko ene yabubu na pre ana yabubu na pre
I'm say oh much interest program ye George Free ya sake no
ya sake
part of so still of football
or football more meaning so executive committee member
yes or executive committee member was I owner and founder watch my planet was I director Liberty the football no or that's room it is on your vice president with the vice president me sure say that's the end of the road still we young when they do no obet my nyama bebre mu show ye be press conference and by
okay ye be press conference
no
don't say ye be press conference
George Free team
mutin okay team George
Free
okay
ye be press release from Achinadeko
okay
after press release you know bibia George Free obi opese otena no asembia no obete true press release you know
mo de baba bonti
yes
press release na mo de baba
me pesa mekam asem
okay
me pesa mekam asem but obi o say yedanase bia no ye bedanase you know
in that meeting and right time na wo nipa wo support ni say obey the next FA president of Ghana no all committee na say ye normal executive committee meeting omoko no munya any hint and any information say okwa ye bekwa koyi na di age the position of free say the vice president of the Ghana Football Association
so obi a blaster committee chairman na is the last 2 weeks ana ye just position
yeah
ye je no committee no ye reshuffle ya reshuffle na nko ba bia all committees no woni bia so it tells you say bibia betimasi nti wo wa say wo plan say e bia opposed no ana ne vice president na also tiase also bia tiase wo enya ntokwa the president of the FA na appointed at the same time or chance and also or power say obesa ayi na sifo you know me fi say wenye asema de to no so aba no oda so ho as executive committee member enti me fi say wenu nya de a eye problem dia
hamo
but that
team Georgia Free hamo say
unim ade ha me as a football person ade ha me pe ye say minim ade Georgia Free ayama efe boy for years me fan say from 2005 eba why a lot anama we different efe we why a lot na ma efe we wo de yen nyina one person be gina ho enka say why bibi aye sombu bi ama efe no
why bibi aye den
why adikese bi a change Georgia Free one person be gina
one person from the ESCO na
efe ni nyina
and efe ni nyina
for 2005 never yenim niam Georgia Free
yeah o si de baba
they say the Georgia Free ayama efe no yenya one single person obetima ka say why more than Georgia Free no but unim de me ya o ye very good material ema efe no mpanyifo atenase yenim say sansem we ba yenim say we ye useful ema the efe na mpanyifo atenase ama sade we du bia do
sade
en te say ende oni akosi na ntachi oma be enemies
yes are they enemies
no munya enemies e dey rekoso say ye betena ho na say bia problem start kakra na ye ntimi am protect ayenim say we very good material ema efe no instead of say ye be settle omo ye be kan omo bom say oh amanfo gina chiri ana omo ye damages amanfo de na chiri na omo ye damages ene hwe baby eduye me problem no ye dey na see me ba dey na see enye we bia me feel say ye betima fix it enye we bia ye betima fix it
dey na see
mojo ye kazi ye kanwa ye nya makato say your press release your press release e beba
what the press statement beba bonten
yes nti e ba eno no after
mo be kam asem nyina wo
o say
mo be kam asem nyina wo statement ni ma kire Ghana for
ye be kan e wo Ghana for nti e hu ya po say better akasa be
okay no me bisa wo say enura na executive committee meeting
yes.
I know say na Georgia Free e wo Kumasi
yeah
and I'll drive from Kumasi just to come and attend this particular executive committee meeting. Me ba cho tema na George enam kwan so free Kumasi eba just to come and attend this meeting, you know. Munya any hint so ba ibe na dia na.
Menya we me Abdul Salam. So no nya hint am menya we because me executive committee member. Me no friends but I don't know my business.
Treatment dey ma Georgia Free after oko declare say to quote the words of Ura Georgia Free, you know, say ne boss say onko bi mu dia and the 2019 sabato mbre no so a obeko. After that declaration, you know, ya G the position as the chairman of the Black Stars Management Committee every nisem. Enra ya sign you know as the vice president. Treatment dey ma Georgia Free after declaring say kwasisi onko bi mo weko no. That treatment no. Mo fa na say.
Say oko social media. Utie radio, utie on TV, discussion biya. Obi feeling bad for Georgia Free.
Feeling bad for
yeah, Obi feeling bad for Georgia Free. He say, I didn't know biya why not just over contest. Na enyema we nyina esi. Ndi me fi say enye good image ma no, and enye good image so ma the FA. But ana maka no me masem nyina ye. Minim say mpanyimfo bi wo wa committee ma solve this problem we. But o matena se aye hwe han amasade wonyina because of omu interest. But the
interest near why interest for George or interest for Kwesi.
Say George Free say and bebre so bebre benya chance. But me feel say George very good material. And the Randy Abe way. Very good material, very good personality. Me feel say Osevu e wo committee bia so or you very strong person. I will name football. Won't even say George Free a bad material. Very good material for the FA. And no way. What is Fred Papo way? The same Fred Papo way. omu nyina so makotena nche ye me hwe omu ye useful omu ye very good materials e was ye useful omu omu nyina tenchen nde na George ko ka omu
George ko ka omu was it mo jetum say George ko tranchen
na say is here so I powerless is the power way
George I powerless
yes is the power way ya power is already you say ya je nyina ka second committee ntino executive committee say bia wanye we but fine ana me dey maka no me happy for the decision ana me happy so for say yetima trans ayo hwan amasadio because the interest of Ghana football and then the best because Ghanaians yene football no yene to aba yesu awo yene football no but every individual obia wo interest o football
say George I
it is ye betra ho na say bia de bia yene ankasa ne yene ho ko ne yese na yen develop
Sir George I powerless there and they say the ambition to become FA president so is dash
it has nothing to do with
no which why powerless
no the American say the power I give onye vice president bi ana blaster committee and only the apart from the president you know and only the biggest we are me fan say and also emergency committee and only emergency committee onye vice president blaster management committee chairman post and I say position be away fire so apart from the president
and I'm just say but sad say want to be the president no
I don't want to be the president what declare the intention so obejina what declare and this is your freedom so be any campaign send there ya kaze ya to aba oye candidate and also go find the form obenya ni pattern no mind also no eno ano no
okay mami mo video bi na hwa de abusuafo enne na obi send me video bi na unu say CAF president Ahmad e Ghana and e na call University of Professional Studies Accra UPSA and ya come an honorary doctorate degree the event Dr. Ahmad enya sem ketu Accra na in the course of say you know na video bi aba bonten asa video no ye che say the onyame ahira no otamfo ntimi nse no na minim say obi a oni eye kwesinya ntachi echo executive committee so December 2005 normal serve on the executive committee from 2005 December up to ende aye kesei afedie video bi aba bonten a yesi kwesinya ntachi aye obi anyame ahira no na de anyame ahira no otamfo ntimi nse no we video we as say eno any the security within the mo we trend papa we video we
Nanke bede na yoya usukuramia na mikro na mikana genseja na somaro kutia achadena le nyamedi chenyo
abuse for video we and then na you release here na ohwe ayacho no KN for life wontie ne o KN for life K ne yakwasi and ne yentachi na for life enti video we about bonten I'm say George free nya declare pe and they say George hold on who visa me call me titam ha o yen ya why saman twentwen me titachire ya me call ba bia Mr. Yakubu Abdul Salam we are stand supporter of George Free for 2019 presidency. This is the video about bonten KN for life. Do you support it? KN for life.
Nantachi nyameshra no me no wotiam le ni obi anim se nantachi nyameshra no from day one hwe be bia wodu eti yenyina anim se nyameshra no
but so nyanko ye
but metia me nyosho say a political platform say be politics wa be any politics but say if nantachi is for
but do you believe in KN for life?
I don't think I mean believe.
Oh, you believe in it
for life? You can be yes.
Odi FA president now for life.
For life. Inti menewo ede na beti ma ya fa ho. Inti na say 2019 e beto aba. Eti for life. Obeti ma CAF president. Obeti mi is your FIFA executive council. Obeti mi enya FA president kwana. I also did for life.
We have to go. Na me ya pa say tab na so but we ye be sia no na yasan aba biom na yahwe city meetings ni bi ekoso ni ade a Alisa Hotel ba obi sa me na Alisa Hotel me abadamfo kwame ofosu banfo na hotel na dwumadie no ekoso but ye be sia no mo na nyame ya adom a yasan aba biom but me wo interest in the KN for life sa video no another one be ebe pie ochena mutie ni ye there's another video I ebe pie ochena na sa video no obi am make sure say Saturday agroni from 11 o'clock that video a brutal video where the kitwa won say we still pictures sa video na ba Saturday na make say me yin Saturday no and the enye still pictures enyom dasie but a movement and the kasa enya sam kitwa kra watch out for that video and onye KN for life another person for life interesting times ahead Ghana football mu but unfortunately your time aso we did the Kwadwo Mensah Moshosho Yakubu Abdul Salam president of New Edubiase Football Club 9 seasons in the Ghana Premier League say obo Division 1 hoping say by the end of the season no obetimi asan qualify aba back to the elite division of Ghana football babia Nana Apia Mensah the $2 million according to him or the babeshebu no abusan for your san share biom agroni form me that say ohwe ye nyame adma memene da 11 a.m. another exciting edition of agroni form yakramo bye bye.